Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Before you factory reset a Tecno phone, back up important data first. Use Google Drive or a PC to copy photos and contacts. Export WhatsApp chats and save app settings if needed. Remove the micro SD card to prevent accidental formatting of files. Note your Google account email and password to avoid FRP lock after reset. Make sure the battery has at least 50% charge to prevent shutdown during reset. If possible, disable screen lock and remove any PIN or pattern before proceeding. To reset from settings, open the Settings app on your Tecno phone. Scroll to System and tap Reset Options to reveal reset choices. Select Erase all data, also labeled Factory Reset, to begin. Confirm that you want to erase all user data and accept the prompt. The phone will reboot and run the factory reset automatically without extra input. Wait for the reset to complete and the system to restart into the setup wizard. This method keeps the bootloader intact and needs no hardware button combinations. If settings is inaccessible, turn the Tecno phone off completely first. Press and hold volume up and power simultaneously to enter recovery mode. Use volume keys to highlight wipe data/factory reset and press power to select. Confirm the action when prompted and wait while the device erases user data and cache partitions. After completion, choose Reboot System Now and let the phone boot into setup. Sign in with your Google account and restore backups from Google Drive or local PC backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.